almost cleared it. All right, so it looks like WLtoys released a new buggy, and it's a teeny tiny little guy. 1/24th scale to be exact. Let's flip over the box. We can see it. It's called the Vagrant Speedster, and it's for power rallying. Yeah, we're gonna be doing that, I think. Checking out the artwork, we can see this buggy does have skulls and stuff, so it's ready to rock and roll. Now, surprisingly enough, it does not say WLtoys anywhere on here, but I did find the model number to confirm it. 244016. Yep, that's it. We can see here it has rubber tires. You do get a battery. Carbon steel alloy parts. Ooh, nice. 3-wire servo. 3-in-1 gyroscope receiver board. Ooh, so it has a gyro. That's very nice. And a nice brushed motor. Ball bearings. Also, the differential is metal. And down below it says, high violence, resistance, PVC car shell. All right, all right. So you're a tough little dude guy, huh? All right, noted.
You don't want to get mixed up with a guy like me. I'm a loner, Daddy. A rebel.
Now, I really do hope the shell can withstand some high violence because it looks like someone stepped on my box. So, oops. And yeah, I don't know. It sounds kind of broken in there, so let's find out. As we can see here, we have our transmitter. All right. Very small. Not too bad. Looking here, we have our steering trim. We have our GY trim, so gyro trim. Do-it-yourself light. So you can probably put on your own lights and stuff on here, I'm guessing. 3 speeds, reverse function, and a CCS. Ooh, wonder what that is. And then we have our power button. Not too bad. I do like that it has a foam wheel and nice design on the wheel itself. Pretty cool. Now we can take out our buggy. All right, get out of here. Oh, ooh. Oh. Looky here, we have our accessory pack. It does come with a USB charger, some shock spacers, famous wheel wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and our least favorite thing, instruction manual. We have here our part diagrams and our parts. I made a post about this buggy once and someone told me, oh, you can't get parts for this thing, blah, blah, blah. It's a toy, not hobby grade. Well, buddy, look, parts, you can get them, okay? Good. Nothing else in the box. Let's check out our buggy. Ooh, this thing looks slick. Oh man, I like this thing. The decals are really nice. Speed, yes. RRY. Yeah, all right. Ooh, you're a bouncy boy. Boing, 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 boing. The rear definitely bounces more than the front. I don't recall if this has oil shocks or not, but if there's anything in there, it's very minimal. Check out the rear, we see that wing, and we can see that we do have those metal parts. Shock towers appear to be plastic. The undercarriage has a nice little carbon fiber look. Would have been pretty cool if it was actually carbon fiber. Take off this body shell. We can see there our little servo, and there is our ESC. I have no idea what size it is. Check out that tiny little power button. And there's the star of the show, our little motor. Now, how do you take the battery out? Looks like you just leave the battery in and plug it into your USB charger. Not too bad. Now, I wanted to note that this has hex screws everywhere. Looks like some 1.5s, but they only give you a Phillips screwdriver. All right, that's speed 1, I think. And that was 2 beeps, so this is gonna be speed 2. Ooh, ooh. Gyro's working. 1, 2, 3. See if the light button does anything. Nope. Jeez, if I ever lose this body clip, man, I'll never find another one. Ooh. Oh. All right, maybe I should take this thing outside. It's a little powerful. All right, we are strapped and loaded. This thing's supposed to do about 18 to 19 miles an hour, so we'll see how that goes. This thing's pretty cute. Definitely drives like a micro buggy. I don't know if it's doing 19 though. Just make sure it's on speed 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. All right, let's see what it did. Stop, read. 14 miles an hour. That is all I can get out of it. All right, let's see how this little guy bashes. Woo! If this thing was brushless, ooh, it would be insane. Woo! Almost cleared it. Now it does take a little bit to get it going because it's real to drive, but once you get going, it's not that bad. Gyro helps. Yeah! Woo! Oh, buddy! Woo! This little buggy's awesome. Oh, yeah, buddy. Yeah. This isn't micro bashing, I don't know what is. Oh. Oh no. Okay, we are fine, but man, I stabbed that thing with that sharp edge. Jeez. Gotta look out for that. Now, I know you guys are probably gonna ask me, how does this compare to a Micro B? And honestly, I don't know. Back when the Micro Bs came out, they sold out instantly, so I'd imagine these will too, given its price point. And this thing's pretty awesome, especially if you have like a carpet track or something like that. This thing's really good. It's also good for indoors. Doesn't go too fast, it won't get you in trouble. Now, if you're fascinated with small RCs and RC parts, then this is definitely right up your alley. Look at this thing going around this track. I don't have a carpet track nearby, so this is the best I could find. And man, this thing's awesome on this little pump track. Oh, right now I'm running this thing at the 2nd speed level just to get used to it. It's doing rather well, as you can see. It loves it. Oh yeah. Look at that thing.